Hello student, today again I will explain the second video of class 9 science chapter number 10. Okay, and in this video I will explain mainly about the free fall. Before I start explaining this video, please take out your notebook, pen and pencil to draw the diagram and to copy down the important topics. In this video, the main part is the free falls. Okay, that means we can calculate the value of the gravitational force of the earth, right? Now yesterday I already explained about what that is. Force is equal to g of m into m by d square, and this g is equal to what? F d square by m into m. Now okay, the most important part in here, today's topic is the value of g is constant, that is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg inverse 2, right? This is the constant value, it cannot be changed, right? By using this value of the g, we can find out the what? We can find out the value of the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now without wasting the time, today I will start explaining the free fall. Okay, now what is this mean by this free fall? Free fall means the falling down of any object, okay, without any external force. Just after the ripening of this is the one, okay, this is the tree, this is okay, and in here the one apples, okay. After ripening of this apple, it can fall down towards the earth, right? This falling down of this apple after ripe, or totally fully ripe, okay, this is also known as the free fall. And this falling down of this apple does not, okay, involve any external force, okay. This is because of the what? Free fall only, okay, that is the acceleration due to gravity, right? Now I will explain about what is free fall. Okay, now free fall, the falling of an object from the height, the falling of an object from a height, where? Towards the center of the towards this earth, okay, towards the earth, under what? Why this apple is falling down towards the earth? That is the more important part. Under the gravitational force of the earth, under the gravitational force of the earth is called free fall. Okay, that means when this apple is fully ripe, at the time it can be fell down without any external force. Why this apple is fell down towards the earth without any external force? That means this apple is fell down from the height, okay, due to the what? Attractive force produced by the earth. Okay, if the earth does not produce attractive force, then the apple will not fall towards the earth. Okay, that is why this falling down, the freely falling down, okay, of an object from the height towards the center of the earth without any external force, but under the what? Gravitational force of the earth is called free fall. Please copy down. Done? Okay. Now next is the acceleration due to the gravity. Now the next portion is acceleration due to gravity. in here it should be small letter g, but universal law of gravitation or gravitation constant, that will be the capital G. Okay, in here small letter g. What is meant by acceleration due to gravity? Okay, that means the uniform acceleration produced by the uniform acceleration produced by a freely falling object towards the earth under the gravitational force of earth is called acceleration due to gravity. Right, that is in here while this freely falling time, okay, it produces one uniform acceleration, right? And this uniform acceleration is nothing that is known as the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now this acceleration due to gravity, it is denoted by what? It is denoted by small letter g, and its SI unit is, what is the SI unit of acceleration? What is the SI unit of acceleration? Yes, that is meter per second square or meter second inverse 2. This is the SI unit of the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now please copy down this one. Then okay, and this one also, in here the value of G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, this 9.8 meter per second square we will calculate. Okay, please copy down. Then okay, calculations of acceleration due to gravity. Okay, then calculations of the values of the acceleration due to gravity. Now look here, if we drop, what if we drop a stone of mass m? If we drop a stone of mass m, okay, from a distance of r, okay, from a distance of the r towards the earth, okay, towards the earth, the mass of the earth, towards the earth, mass of the earth there is, or towards the earth, okay, same in here you can write in here the earth, okay, for the earth, and its mass is and earth, towards the earth, okay, so write the mass of the earth okay, is taken as this m. right? The force produced by the art, okay, and stone, okay, is F, okay. Then what? F is equal to G of M into M by R square. Why? Look here, this force is equal to G of M into M by R square. Why R? Since, okay, you can write in here D square. Then we can put that this F is equal to G of mass of the earth into M by R square, where M is equal to mass of earth, mass of stone, R is equal to radius of earth or distance. Okay, this distance we also say that there is the radius of the earth. Okay, let's copy down this one. We get this one, this formula, right? That, okay. Now I am putting here, okay, and look here. Again, we know that this force is equal to mass into acceleration, right? In the last chapter, the force is equal to mass into acceleration, right? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Any confusion? Any confusion? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Any confusion? No. Okay, now look here. This you can say this is the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2. Okay, the last one. Can I remove this one? Yes. Now putting the value of F in equation number 1. Then in place of F I am writing MA, M into A, that is G of M into M by R square. Can I cancel this M and M? Yes. What remains? This A is equal to G of M by R square. Now our equation is done, we can put, okay, but this whatever I am putting here, okay, this you need to by heart. Okay, now the taking the, okay, this is the hints. Now look here, mass of earth M is equal to, mass of the earth is equal to what? Mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Mass of the earth is equal to, then no need to mass, radius of the earth. Radius of earth. This R is the radius of the earth. Radius of the earth is equal to what? 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Next, this G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg inverse 2. Okay, this values, okay, you need to by heart, or you need to buy this 3, okay, these 3 values. Mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Radius of the earth is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. G is equal to, that is 6 into 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg inverse 2. Okay. Now I will put in these values in here. Okay. Can I remove this one? Okay. We get what? A is equal to, in place of G, we can write 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg inverse 2 into mass of the earth 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Right? Then this radius, look here, 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Okay, whole square. Okay, first I will cancel this one, only kg minus 1 is left. Okay, now look here, 6.67 into 6 into, we can minus, that is 10 to the power 24 minus 11, how many we got? 10 to the power 13, right? This Newton is equal to what? Kg meter per second square, right? Kg meter per second square. Newton is equal to kg meter per second square, right? F is equal to ma. Now then in here into kg inverse 1. You kg inverse 1, this kg inverse 1, I am cancelling. Okay, in here the meter square is left. In here meter square into. Okay, divided by 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 12 meters. So cancelling these two. Okay, after that it becomes what? After that it becomes 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, now this acceleration, this A is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, or this acceleration A is equal to Z, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Why? I am writing in here. Okay, acceleration is done due to the gravitational force of the earth. Gravitational force of the earth. This acceleration is done due to the gravitational force of the earth. That is why this acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. That's why I'm writing this one. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Please copy down this one. Okay, please focus in this calculation. If you have any doubt, any confusion for this calculation, let me know. Okay, this is one of the most important calculations. Okay, in this portion their calculations are too big. Okay, you need to find out what for the quantity we need to cancel. Okay, and why this 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power minus 24 becomes 10 to the power 13. You already learned in the maths, right? That is, I think I will give in here 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power this 24, right? Is equal to what? 10 to the power 24 minus of 11 is equal to 10 to the power 13, right? You can apply this formula. Okay, don't forget. Very simple. Okay, but you need to give some pay attention. Okay, while this calculation time. Okay, and that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any confusions, let me know. Okay, I will clear your doubts. Okay, any person, anything, any doubt, please, okay, tell me. Okay, I will clear your doubt. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.